Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Ally banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Ally bank account, first open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.ally.com. and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official webpage of Ally, which looks like this. Go and click on the login button in green at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login area. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login area. Select an account type from the drop down and choose one of the options and give it a click. In my case, I'm going to choose this bank or investor login option. Once you choose one of the options, go to the next field where it says username and type in your username in order to get access to your account. Make sure to type in the correct username. In case you've forgotten your username, click on Forgot Username link and follow the instructions in order to look for your username. Once you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your password, click on the password link as well and follow the instructions in order to look for your password or reset your password. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet for Ally Bank, go ahead and click Enroll in Auto or Bank and Investment link option and follow the instructions in order to register for a new online banking account. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on Save Username box so that next time you won't have to type in your credentials again and again to get access to your account. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared computer. Finally, after entering your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click the login button and you'll be able to end up in the main dashboard of Ally Bank. That is how you can easily log into Ally Bank. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.